The end stitch of a Tunisian crochet project is always the last stitch of your row. So in this case, it's the one with the V that goes up this way. So here I am working a lace pattern with a Tunisian simple stitch base. So I'm gonna work Tunisian simple stitch until my last regular stitch, and then I have my end stitch. So this one, instead of only working on the front vertical bar, I'm going to work on the front and on the back vertical bar. So there's always 2 bars on my hook before I pull my yarn through. So you need to make sure that there are 2 and then there's enough space for you to go through. Then yarn over and pull through. And there, it's always gonna look like this V pattern being formed. And then when you return past, you're going to yarn over, and keeping the yarn quite tight, you're going to pull through 1 loop. So the end stitch is always just 1 loop when you return past, and then yarn over and continue to return past by pulling through the live return past loop and your stitch loop. So 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. And that end stitch stays right there. So you can find it on the way back.